the stars and the mountains, I'll give you the world and all that you wish for, and even more. Girl, I'll love you more than you could know, and that's for sure. I climb the highest hill, cross the widest sea. Nothing could discourage me, and I pray that you'll be always there for me forevermore. Oh, ready or not, I'll give you everything and more. All that I've got is yours. I'll give you everything, all that you're looking for.
I'll give you my heart, my soul, my time, my love is a fountain. I will be your earth, ooh, and all that you need for, and even more. 'Cause girl, I love you more than words can show. My love is pure. I'll walk 1,000 miles, sail 1,000 seas. Nothing will discourage me. And I pray that you will be always there for me forevermore.
Ready or not,
Don't you know, you should know.
I'll give you everything
Ooh,
and more.
I'll give you more, you got to know it, baby.
All that I've got, baby, is yours, little girl. I'll give you everything, every little thing, all that you're looking for. Whoa, everything is not anything if you're not here to share my dreams. You don't know what it means to me if you'll accept my love.
I dedicate my love, my soul, my heartbeat for you. Girl, I can't get enough, so I'll wait for your love. There's nothing that I'd rather do. I'll give you everything. Ooh, lady, I'll give you more, you got to know it, baby.
Stay a little while now, baby. Stay a little while. Stay a little while now, baby. Stay a little while.
Well, I was drifting off to sleep last night. All I thought about was you, all I do. Fantasies were running through my mind of all the things that we could do. Hey, hey, come to me so we could be together endlessly. Gonna give you my love, you got to stay.
Stay a little while now, baby. Stay a little while.
Stay a little while, baby. Stay with me,
Stay a little while now,
baby.
baby. Stay a little while.
See, I think about you every day. so my love, I'll be patient waiting for you. Don't be too long, 'cause every time you leave it breaks my heart too, to be here alone. 'Cause minutes will be days without you, and I want so much to never let you go, baby. No matter where you go or what you do, there's just one thing that I gotta let you know. People move, but places don't. There's a place for you in my love, no matter what you do, baby. So no matter where you go, don't forget your way to my love. Don't forget your way to my love. Hoping you won't go away. Yeah, yeah. Thinking, baby. Once again, the time is growing near. Ooh, so I'm searching for the proper way to say. Searching for the way. People move, but places don't. There's a place for you in my love, just for you, baby. So no matter where you go, don't forget your way to my love. Don't forget your way to my love.
'Cause every time I close my eyes, I think light or dark and blue, it's you. When the storms of this life gets me down, you are the reason why I keep a stride. Now you have gone away, but you'll come back one day. And when you do, you always remain. From your light brown hair to the sparkle in your eyes, we're dedicating this letter, Lisa, for love. From your light brown hair to the sparkle in your eyes, we're dedicating this letter, Lisa, for love.
Looking back through the years, I remember joyful tears we shared.
We share
Like the stars in the sky, there's a twinkle in your eye. You shine.
you shine, and heaven only knows the time when you will come. But until then, you'll always be a friend. From your light brown hair to the sparkle in your eyes, we're dedicating this letter, Lisa, for love. From your light brown hair to the sparkle in your eyes, we're dedicating this letter, Lisa, for love.
You know, it's so incredible how life comes and goes. In our younger days, we plan our direction and what our purpose in life will be. But what I'm trying to say is, more important than that is life itself and the beauty life can bring. That's why it's so important to live each and every day expressing the love and beauty we feel for one another. Knowing and understanding that it's not easy to say goodbye and more than impossible to forget a special someone prompts me to say that, look, you got to love yourself and love and respect life and all the beauty that's around. And where there's no love, create love, and it will always remain for Lisa, for love.
Oh, yeah, yeah. And heaven only knows the time when you will glow. But until then, you'll always
Be a friend. From your light brown hair to the sparkle in your eyes,
we're dedicating this letter,
Lisa,
so
for
Lisa.
from your light brown hair to the sparkle in your eyes.
We're dedicating this letter to Lisa, for love, Lisa, for love.
From your light brown hair
From your light brown hair to the sparkle in your eyes, we're dedicating this letter to Lisa,
for love.
we're dedicating, yeah.
Sweetheart, I'm trying so hard to get over you. Just simply can't. 'Cause the love we shared through the years meant so much to me. All I'm looking for is just a serious relationship, so I have a hold all my life. Why don't you give me that commitment? Let's settle down. Let's chill. Don't be afraid of me. I know my love is scary, but I promise everything will be alright. Come closer. Let me talk to you. The first time I saw your face, girl, I knew I had to have you. I wanted to wrap you with my warm embrace, visions of your lovely face. All my love is for you. Whatever you want, I will do. You're the only one I want in my life. For you, I make that sacrifice. Oh.
Let's chill. Let's settle down.
That's what I want. Just me and you. Yeah.
Let's chill.
Let's chill.
Let's settle down.
Come here, baby. That's all. That's all. I'm so happy to have you here, standing by my side. Is it a dream or reality? If it's a fantasy, please don't weigh me. All my love is for you. Whatever you want, I will do. You're the only one I want in my life. For you, I'll make that sacrifice. So, baby, let's chill. Let's chill.
Let's settle
Settle
down.
down, baby.
I wanna do.
That's all I want
Just
to
me
do.
and you.
Oh,
Let's chill.
let's chill, baby.
Settle down. I wanna do.
I want to do.
Just me and you.
Come here, baby.
You never know.
Come lay next
You
to
never
me.
know, babe. You never know.
Let's
You
forget
never, 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 never know. No, 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 no. You never know.
Deep in the heart, love has many ways of touching your emotions, taking control of you. And even in God, love can make you change. There's no way of controlling love when it's part of you.
Well, you could be a married man with 2 kids and a good woman, and you could give your heart and soul. I swear it don't mean nothing, 'cause love can pull you deep into a spell. It will spin your mind around like a carousel. Oh,
I'm telling you, love makes things happen. You never know where it's coming from. You never know who you're gonna love. I'm telling you, love makes things happen.
makes
You
it
never know what you're gonna do.
never.
Whenever true love takes over you.
There's never a time, 'cause love will let
telling you, love makes things happen. You never know where it's coming from. You never know who you're gonna love. I'm telling you, love makes things happen. You never know what you're gonna do. Never true love takes over you.
There's nothing love can make you do when love takes hold of you. You can end the purest song and the finest attitude.
But I swear that don't mean nothing when your heart's under the spell. It will spin your mind around like a carousel. I'm telling you, love makes things happen.
got your letter inside the mail today. Seems that you had a lot of important things you was trying to say. You was beating around the bush, but I was reading between them lines, and I had a long talk with myself. So I figured it's time. You see, before I wasn't ready for the things you wanted. I couldn't give you what you deserved. But now the tables is turned for me, sweetheart. You see, I'm making records now, you know. And I'm getting paid and all that. So now I think it's time to tell you that I love you, because I do. Don't you know? See it now. The church will be filled with all our friends, family. I'll have on my fly white tuxedo, looking smooth. You'll be in your beautiful white gown. Your smile just lights up the whole place. Our parents, they'll be shedding tears of joy. Little kids will be running around the church, pointing, giggling. Everybody's happy for us because it's our day. That's right, baby, your day and my day. I guess if I had to sum it up in 3 simple words, it'd have to be I love you, because I do. Don't you know? If I could have anything in this world, it'd be you. Don't you know if there's any love involved, it would be true. Don't you know all my time will be spent holding your hand? Yeah, you could be my lady, and I'll be your man. Don't you know? Don't you know?
Don't leave. I think we can still work. It's just you and me. And all we got to do is try. Somehow, someway, we lost this magic. We got to find a way to recapture that special feeling we once knew. It won't be easy, we both know. If we believe in each other, we must believe in each other. We keep that feeling fresh. We must believe in each other to keep that feeling fresh. I do believe that we can make it. I know that we can make it again, babe. We can make it. I know that we can. Make it again. We can make it. I know that we can. take a good thing away. We can recapture the magic if we believe in each other. We must believe in each other to keep the feeling fresh and new. We must believe in each other to keep the feeling fresh and new. Together, it's been recaptured. I can see the magic when I look in your eyes. I understand our reason for reunion, 'cause we believe in one another. 'Cause our faith was tempered with so